Can you stop saying that before you really
Ladies and gentlemen, Spirit Airlines would like to welcome you to Nassau, Bahamas. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign and we have arrived at the gate. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. And be sure to keep the aisles free of all carry-on baggage. Cellular phones may not be used until you have cleared customs and immigration inside the terminal. Before leaving the aircraft, check around your seat and in the overhead compartments for all of your belongings. You will be passing through immigration and customs after you deplane. Please have your identification with your completed forms available for the immigration officials. If you have checked luggage, you must claim it before clearing customs. Any of our customers needing special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, we ask that you remain seated until the majority of the passengers have deplaned so that we may better assist you. We invite you to visit our website at spiritair.com where you can check in online, enter your comments, and get great low fares on flights, car rentals, hotels, vacation packages, and even cruises. On behalf of all of us here at Spirit Airlines, we thank you for flying with us today. We hope you have a pleasant stay here in Nassau, Bahamas, or wherever your travels may take you.